200 million years ago, India was part of the southern supercontinent Gondwanaland. It drifted north across the Tethys Sea, moving slowly toward Asia. As India approached Asia, the Tethys Sea shrank, and sediments at its bottom were squeezed and folded. About 50 million years ago, India collided with the Eurasian plate. This slow, powerful collision forced the seabed upward, creating the Himalayas. The mountains are still rising today, as the Indian plate continues to push north. This region remains geologically active, which is why earthquakes are common. The Himalayas are the world's youngest and highest mountain range. What was once ocean floor is now the roof of the world. The story of the Himalayas is a dramatic example of tectonic power. The collision that formed the Himalayas also created a vast basin to the south. Rivers like the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra began flowing from the mountains, carrying silt and alluvium. Over millions of years, these rivers filled the basin with fertile soil. Annual monsoon floods spread fresh layers of alluvium, creating the Great Northern Plains. This region stretches from Punjab to Assam and is among the world's most fertile areas. The plains are India's agricultural heartland, supporting millions of people. The deep, rich soil is perfect for crops like wheat and rice. The formation of the plains shows how mountains, rivers, and land are interconnected. The rivers built the plains, turning a depression into a thriving landscape. It's a cycle of creation that sustains life across northern India. South of the plains lies the peninsular plateau, one of Earth's oldest landmasses. This plateau, a remnant of ancient Gondwanaland, is made of hard, crystalline rocks. It's divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau, bordered by the Western and Eastern Ghats. Massive volcanic eruptions millions of years ago formed the Deccan Traps, creating fertile black soil. The plateau's rivers, like the Godavari and Krishna, depend on monsoon rains and have carved wide valleys. Unlike the young Himalayas, the plateau is stable and ancient, rich in minerals. Its volcanic and mineral history shapes the land and livelihoods here. The plateau stands in stark contrast to the dynamic north. India's geography is the result of tectonic plates in constant motion. The Indian plate's journey from Gondwanaland to Asia created the Himalayas and shaped the land. This movement makes the Himalayan region prone to earthquakes and geological activity. India's long isolation allowed unique plants and animals to evolve. The eventual collision with Asia led to a mixing of species and rich biodiversity. Rivers and valleys across the country are products of these massive geological changes. The peninsular plateau's tilt directs rivers eastward, while the Himalayas give rise to powerful northern rivers. India's landscape is a living testament to the Earth's restless, creative forces. The land's formation is a result of tectonic plates moving and colliding over eons. This ongoing process continues to shape India's geography today. Each region's unique story is written in its rocks, rivers, and mountains. India, a vast South Asian country, is a peninsula surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. Its geography is incredibly diverse: towering Himalayas, fertile plains, ancient plateaus, deserts, and long coastlines. These features shape the lives of millions, from the snowy mountains in the north to the mineral-rich plateaus in the south. The Himalayas act as a barrier, protecting India from cold winds, while the plains are ideal for agriculture. Rivers from the mountains provide water for farming and daily life. The peninsular plateau is rich in minerals, fueling industries. India's landscape tells a story of powerful natural forces over millions of years. The north is dominated by the Himalayas, followed by the vast northern plains, and then the ancient peninsular plateau. Coastal plains and island groups add to the country's diversity. All these features exist side by side, making India a land of contrasts.